Hi, welcome all. Do you know that you can create a simple doodle video in just 5 minutes? Watch how you can make your doodle videos using Doodle Genius.
In this video, we are going to see how to create a simple doodle video in just 5 minutes. First, open your software. The license to this software has been emailed to you, so use that for logging to the software. Once you open the software, you will see an interface like this. First, we need to set the background. For that, click on the settings, and here you click on the color. Choose the color that you want. I'm going to choose a black color. After that, click save. Now we have the black background. I want to create a greeting video for Navaratri. So I'm going to insert an image first. First, click on the image. In this software itself, there are thousands of images, but since we need a particular image, I'm going to use that image from my computer. For that, I choose the option load image from PC. Click on that. Then browse to the location. I have saved the image in desktop. So I'm going to browse. This is the image I'm going to use. Click on this. This is a Navaratri image. Then click add. Now the image is added. Now we need to position the image. So position where you want this image to be placed. Now I want to adjust the timing. For that, click the properties and change the timing of drawing. After that, I'm saving it. Now we need the write-up. For that, I'm going to type wish you. Since the background is black, I'm going to use white color. And I'm going to change the font. I want to move the text to the top. Place the text where you want. Now I want one more text. I'm going to duplicate this. And I'm going to change the text. I want to change the font size. I want to change the color to yellow. Click OK. I want to adjust the size a little bit by dragging. Now I want to add a background music. For that, click on the music. Here we have a number of musics. You can choose any, or you can have your own custom music. Once you have chosen the music, click add and it will be added. Now everything is ready. We can watch the preview first. See, the picture is getting drawn. Now the text is getting. See, within 5 minutes you are able to create your simple doodle video with a Navaratri wishes. If you want to create your own doodle videos, then you are welcome to join Doodle Genius. It's a complete training with all the tools and assets required to create your own doodle videos. Thank you all for watching.